Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add money into your Wealthsimple account. So open up the app. Okay. You wanna you see at the profile at the very top, right? Click on it. Go press settings. Go to accounts, and you can do this for either crypto or checking. But you're gonna wanna if you haven't done it already, you're gonna complete the profile. It's gonna tell you to put all this information in, like your social security number, the SIN, and everything. Okay, and then you could. I'll show you what it says for checking. For checking, it's like the same thing. Go all the way back. You see the two arrows at the bottom, one going right, one going left. Click on that and press add money or move money, or you could at the bottom you see send or receive crypto. You could either do that. And that's basically it. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.